In this video we're going to explore how Civil 3D can create a topographical 3D site surface. Here in the Perspectives tab within Civil 3D I'm just going to start the Points tool. Now these Points tools you can use in a variety of ways to create manual points and so forth, but in this case I'm going to use an upload directly from our site surveying equipment. Because that upload was captured on our coordinate system, in this case British OS, it's going to land right over the top of the GIS data that I created using Map3D. Also, what I need to now do is to create a surface, and you can see again via the Perspectives tab I can create this surface, and I'm going to call it Existing. I now need to choose the style, and the style I'm going to use is the contours 0.1 and 0.5 minor and major contours. I can define this surface in a number of ways, and including contours, break lines, polylines and other point groups, but in this case I'm just going to use all of the points. I'm going to bring that in, and there you go, you've got a contoured 3D surface. Civil 3D is a building information modelling platform in that it's element based with associated information, and just to show that we're going to annotate our points. In here in the settings tab we've got point styles, which is the cross on the point, and we've also got label styles, which is the associated annotation. There's a number of these that come from the default template, but the one I'm going to use is level only. In these settings, which are again fairly easy to use along these tabs at the top, you can change the fonts and the styles and the way it annotates, and even the syntax that it uses to annotate it. It's actually, spend a few minutes in here and you can find your way around relatively easily. So in here I can actually change the way it annotates it, the label style and so forth, and if I press on OK here, what I can basically do is select all of my points. Because it's element based, I can use my properties in here to select the Kogo points, and I can just change the style to whatever I want it to be, and also that label, which is level only. And if I zoom in here you can see that I can now see all the levels in meters. I hope that demonstrates how easy it is to use Autodesk Civil 3D to create a simple site surface which we can use to coordinate the rest of our building information modelling workflow.